Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in ES6. Use destructuring assignments to assign variables from arrays. ES6 makes destructuring arrays as easy as destructuring objects. One key difference between the spread operator and array destructuring is that a spread operator unpacks all the contents of an array into comma separated list. Consequently, you cannot pick or choose which elements you want to assign to a variables. Destructuring an array lets you do exactly that. Here we can see we are destructuring the array and using A and B to store the value 1 and 2. The variable A is assigned to the first value of the array and B is assigned the second value of the array. We can also access the value at any index in the array with destructuring by using commas to reach the desired index. So in this case, we use first A and afterward B for second element, and afterward we put 3 comma, means it will move to 5 here, leaving this and this, and it will store value of C as 5. We can see it in the log. Let's see the task which we will proceed with in this challenge. Use destructuring assignment to swap the values of A and B so that A receives the value of a value stored in B and B receives the value stored in A. Okay, we have to use destructuring assignment to swap the values of A and B so that A receives the value of stored in B and B receives the value stored in A. So how can we do that? Let's use const, and inside const A comma B equal to B comma A. It's not required, but still let's keep it consistent. It's always good practice. So let's run the test. Okay. It is already been declared. So why am I? So let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.